Want to master text functions in Power BI? In this video, I'll break down the most important DAX text functions with easy examples. Let's dive in. Number 1. Concatenate, joining text. This function joins two text values together. Example: if you want to merge first and last names, DAX, full name equals concatenate, table, first name, and table, last name. Number 2. Combine values, best for direct query. Need to join multiple values with a separator? Use combine values. DAX, full name equals combine values, table, first name, table, last name. Number 3. Left, extract from left. To get the first three letters of a product code, DAX, first three letters equals left, table, product code, 3. Number 4. Right, extract from right. For the last three letters of a code, DAX, last three letters equals right, table, product code, 3. Number 5. Mid, extract from middle. Need to pull specific characters from a string? DAX, middle text equals mid, table, product code, 3, 4. Number 6. LEN, find length of text. To count the characters in a string, DAX, text length equals LEN, table, product name. Number 7. Trim, remove extra spaces. Want to clean unwanted spaces from text? DAX, clean text equals trim, table, customer name. Number 8. Substitute, replace specific words. To replace bad with good in a comment, DAX, corrected text equals substitute, table, comments, bad, good. Number 9. Replace, replace by position. Want to replace part of a string based on position? DAX, updated text equals replace, table, product code, 2, 3, XYZ. Number 10. Search, find position case insensitive. To find where Apple appears in a text, DAX, position equals search, Apple, table, description, 1-1. Number 11. Find, case sensitive search. Unlike search, this is case sensitive. DAX, position equals find, Apple, table, description, 1-1. Number 12. Upper and lower, convercase. To change text to uppercase or lowercase, DAX, uppercase text equals upper, table, customer name. Lowercase text equals lower, table, customer name. Number 13. Exact, compare two strings. Need to check if two text values match exactly? DAX, isMatch equals exact, table, code 1, table, code 2. Number 14. Format, change text format. Want to format dates as month year? DAX, formatted date equals format, table, order date, MMYYYY. Mastering these text functions will take your Power BI skills to the next level. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI tips. See you in the next video.